Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro JPY for Monday, Euro Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro JPY in front of us right now, and as you can see that I have got couple of lines here on the chart. So let's try to understand what is going on in the Euro JPY chart. Then we'll be discussing what should be our strategy for Euro JPY on Monday. So don't get confused. Let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro JPY in front of us, and if you look at the chart here, then we can easily see that market has constantly formed a series of lower highs here, which means that whenever market tried to go up, market failed to cross the previous high, and this is a downtrend market. Downtrend market means the number of sellers are higher in comparison to number of buyers. So sellers are dominating in this market, and as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities or shorting opportunities. And as you can clearly see on the chart that this market is in downtrend, therefore we should mainly look for selling opportunities only. So overall trend is towards the downside, and if we just focus on the present trend of the market here, then also we can see that this market is extremely bearish. Sellers have got huge impact, huge influence on this market. Therefore it would be wise for everyone to look for selling opportunities only. So the trend is towards the downside, and there is no doubt about it. Clear? So as the market is in downtrend, therefore we must be having a resistance as well, and the resistance is this line. If you do not have this line on your charting platform, then my dear friends, I'll request you to draw these lines, okay, all these lines, so that you can understand the market better, so that you can do proper analysis and trade properly. So first and foremost, let's discuss about this trend line. This trend line is a dynamic resistance for the market, because you can see that whenever market was trying to go up, it was facing resistance from above, and you can see that this trend line is still a valid resistance for the market. Therefore, considering the trend of the market and the importance of this trend line, the first trading opportunity on Monday will be, if market goes up from here, listen to me carefully, if market goes up from here and if you find market struggling near this trend line, if you find market struggling near this trend line and reversing from here, then you can short the market. You can short the market at this trend line, because you can clearly see on the chart that this trend line is a very strong resistance for the market. Clear? So the first line is clear. And on the other hand, I'm not saying the market will be going up tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Okay, on the other hand, if market goes up from here in the coming week also, or after 1 month also, doesn't matter. Okay, because this level is also very important for the market. 130.50, you must draw this line on 130.50 level, because this level belongs to the weekly chart here. So if you go to weekly chart here, then you can see that on the weekly chart we have a resistance. So the weekly chart is, as we all know, weekly chart is extremely important, because weekly chart belongs to the institutional traders, the big players. So the support and resistance level from the weekly chart are very serious. So in the coming week or in the coming days, if you find market trading near this level, 130.50 level, just observe the price. If you again see market struggling, market finding it difficult to cross the level, then again you will get the confirmation that yes, the resistance from the weekly chart 130.50 is a very strong resistance. There's a very valid resistance for the market, and you can short the market easily when market will be reversing from this particular level 130.50. 130.50. 0.50. Clear? Now let's discuss about the third line. So we have a resistance, or sorry, we have two resistances, one in the form of trend line and one in the form of a static resistance, the horizontal line. So we also have a dynamic support as well. Just like this dynamic resistance, we have a dynamic support, this trend line DS. You can see that whenever market is going down, it is kind of taking support at this trend line, and on numerous occasions, 4 or 5 occasions, you can see, or you can clearly see market taking support or respecting this trend line as a valid support. Therefore, on Monday, if you find market taking support in this trend line again, then there is a good possibility that you can go for buy here. But generally, I do not recommend a buy on downtrend market, but it totally depends on you, your call. If you think that it is good enough to go for a buy at the trend line, if you find market um, bouncing beautifully, okay, if you're convinced enough, okay, if you're convinced enough that yes, your this bounce from this trend line is a good one, definitely you can go for a buy here. So that is your third trading opportunity on Euro JPY. And as you can see that I have got another black line drawn on the chart, and that black line is a support from the weekly chart, 127.40. 127.40. This level is also very important for the Euro JPY chart, because again this is a support from the weekly chart, 127.40 level. So in case there is a sudden selling pressure on Euro JPY, listen to me carefully, in case there is a sudden selling pressure on Euro JPY, then you can hope that 127.40 will provide support to the market, this black line. And if you find market bouncing from this level, 127.40 level, definitely you can go for a buy order. So these are the trading opportunities on Euro JPY chart. Clear? So these are the four trading opportunities on Euro JPY chart in front of us right now. And apart from this level, if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. In the Forex sentiment meter, you can see that 38% traders have taken short position and 61% retail traders have taken long position. As usual, retail traders are standing against the opposite direction of the market. So my dear friends, I'll request you, do not follow the sentiment of the traders. Do not do any emotional trading. Do not take any impulsive trades. Trade wisely, trade with proper analysis. And recently, my dear friends, I have launched a Pro Trader membership program where you can be a part of my analysis for just $15 per month, and where I'll be bringing all the best opportunities on the Forex market for you. If you are interested, then just go through the information, and you can just click on the no more button also. It will take you to a different tab where I have explained it further. Okay, and if you're interested, okay, then I'll be happy to be a part of your trading journey, and you just need to click on the subscribe button. That's it. Anyways, hopefully you've understood what should be your strategy with the Euro JPY. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again. Bye bye.